lot of fitness influencers have no clue about this, and even your doctor won't share this with you. The reason you have low testosterone isn't because of what you think. The root cause is low nitric oxide. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to increase your nitric oxide levels so you can open up the network of veins and arteries in your body so testosterone can finally reach where it's supposed to go. I'm even going to give you my exact protocol and how long I used it for to see results. So here's the thing most men never hear. You can have normal testosterone levels but still feel like you have low testosterone. Now, why is that? Because testosterone only works if your blood flow is good. Blood flow is how your body delivers testosterone to your muscles, delivers testosterone to your reproductive organs, pumps nutrients into your cells, removes waste, maintains erections. If blood flow is impaired, you can have weak libido, softer erections, lower energy, worse pumps, slower recovery, bad sleep, anxiety, and poor cognitive focus. And men mistake this for low T, but really it's low nitric oxide. What is nitric oxide and why do men need it? Well, nitric oxide is the molecule that controls vasodilation. That means it opens up your blood vessels. When nitric oxide is high, blood flow improves, erections improve, your workouts feel better, pumps are bigger, you sleep deeper, testosterone signals more effectively. Now, when nitric oxide is low, you get blood vessels that stay tight, erections suffer, muscles feel flat, stress goes up, and hormone delivery goes down. Men in their 20s and 30s are walking around with low nitric oxide, probably because of poor sleep. It could be a high cortisol, lack of sunlight, which causes low vitamin D, or high blood pressure. This is why so many feel low testosterone even if their levels are normal. The pathway is broken, people. How L-arginine and citrulline fix the nitric oxide pathway. This is where L-arginine and L-citrulline come in. These two amino acids raise nitric oxide naturally without TRT, without drugs, without side effects. Here's the process in simple language. Citrulline, L-citrulline turns into arginine. L-arginine turns into nitric oxide, and nitric oxide opens blood vessels. That means you get better erections, better morning wood, better oxygen flow, better nutrient delivery, and testicular function. And yes, better testicular function means better hormone production. When the testes have more blood flow, the Leydig cells can respond more effectively to LH, which is luteinizing hormone, and produce testosterone more efficiently. It's not magic, guys, it's psychology. What is my personal experience? I'll tell you why I even started using this combo. My sleep was trash for a long time. My erections weren't the same. Energy was inconsistent. I wasn't getting the pumps I used to get. And I started taking 1 gram of L-arginine and about 2 grams of L-citrulline, and the difference was noticeable. Stronger blood flow, better pumps, better sleep, better performance, better pizza, Papa John's. Okay, let me stop. When you fix the blood flow pathway, everything downstairs gets better. And that is why men mistake this for low testosterone. People think automatically they have low T. No, my friend, you have low NO, nitric oxide. And how NO helps testosterone? Okay, let me connect this specifically to testosterone because this is the part nobody explains. Nobody on YouTube, I don't hear no doctors talking about this. Okay, testosterone needs good circulation, oxygen, nutrients, and proper signaling to work effectively. Okay, nitric oxide improves all of those. Studies show that increased nitric oxide improves erectile function, it improves testicular blood flow, it reduces oxidative stress, it increases sensitivity of the Leydig cells, which is in your testicles, it improves sleep, which raises testosterone. I mean, 80 to 90% of your test is produced in your sleep. It reduces blood pressure and stress. Not only that, testosterone itself boosts nitric oxide production. So when you fix nitric oxide, testosterone finally has a chance to work again. Best protocol for men, simple and effective. Here's the exact protocol you can use. before bed for blood flow, sleep, and nighttime erections, 1 gram of L-arginine, 2 grams of L-citrulline, and 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate and some zinc. You can throw in 1 to 3 grams of melatonin. This relaxes your blood vessels, it helps erections, and improves sleep quality. All crucial for testosterone. Now, I take these 2 supplements here. Okay, you can take whatever brand you want to take. I just so happen to use these 2. Now this is going to boost nitric oxide massively, okay, and it's going to open up those blood vessels so that the hormones and nutrients and vitamins and minerals can get to where they need to be. Okay, you don't need to overcomplicate it, you just need consistency. And this might be the key to why you're feeling like you have low testosterone, or if you actually do have low T, these can drastically prove that. Okay, I've been trying to find ways to increase my test naturally for a long time, and I've been on these supplements for about, I'd say, a week, maybe a week and a half, and man, it has drastically improved all aspects of my life. My mood, my libido, morning wood, energy. Like, it's just insane to me that nitric oxide is so overlooked and nobody is talking about it, and that's why I'm making this video, to shine light on it and hopefully get my message across to as many people as I can, because this might be the key to your problem. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, and you want to see more of this style video, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, thumbs down, thumbs up, whatever. Until the next one, I appreciate all. I think we're at 140 subs now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Peace out.